Niliparo Karbianglong Territorial Social Security Association Matati Hekpen KATSSA Asong Atompen Perangkyame Kepapon Lakhain Koira Pot Nilip MSC Constituency Keparlo Dhoniram Ingtiarong Amekar Jiten Rongpi Ahemalong Perangkyame Kangni Ponalong Karbianglong Territorial Social Security Association Matati Hekpen KATSSA Tiripi Amepu Samson Ingtipen Kachepahempu Ponalong Nilip Aro Alongta KATSSA Kepang Tang Ponji Apan Nilip KATSSA Aro Amepu Akimi Jiten Rongpi Apansi Pekponlo Lapen Non Kebangji KATSSA Pen Klem ponja pan rong arlo long le pata kilong le la pen kavelang atuma pan arona teng pen ke palong ponji apansi kachisik pontang lo puta herang kya melong ningje pon la pen sarkar pen kiduk kelak apan ke panong pi pradhan mantri awas yojana gramin ahem ke tang pon pelang atuma pan adim along amat humri damsi tangka chodet pen ke pe tang thek theder atuma pan sodak pen inside ponji puta herang kya melong than pachini pon Lapanan Pata Nilip MSC Constituency along Ningkan Tom Capsose EM Nankipi Ponpedet Ajok Nilip along Ko Ansi Kaching Tur Dun Nangjimake Ching Tur Dunde Lapen Inkoira Trok MSC Constituency Angbong Pen Nilip along Henlo Kepa Pinai Lo Puta Jongpon Lasin non Kebang Jilang Arnike Nilip Apan EM Nang Pivek Nangji Lapen Jongsi Nang Pipedet Pulote Ing Tang Kring Pen Kachesong Deng Ponji Pusi Perang Kia Melong Than Pachinipon Labangso Perangkia Melong Tiripia Me Amepu Samson Ingti Kong Chun Bang Rangsina Teron Chun Bang Joy Rongpi Dihin Rimbang Thong Teron Lapen Pachithang Chun Bang Nong Thang Ingti Atum Chetong Dun Tang Tenon Ang Ton Alam Te Kachiniji Apan Pura Perangkia Melong Kanije Pon Alam Tele Non Ang Ton Pen Arjik Sinang
Held a public meeting at the residence of Mr. Jiten Rongpi at around 12:30 regarding the body reshuffle of the constituency committee, and the meeting was proceeded by Mr. Jiten Rongpi, President Katsa Nilip Constituency Committee. In the presence of the following distinguished person, that is number 1, Samson Ingti, President Katsa CEC, and myself, Rangsina Teron, General Secretary Katsa CEC, Biren Be, Social Worker Koilamati, Rajas Teron, President Katsa Lumbajong Constituency, and the following resolutions were adopted unanimously. The House appointed Mr. Jiten Rongpi as the new President of Katsa Nilip Constituency Committee. The House resolved that the committee will take necessary steps in helping the villagers in applying land patta and approach the settlement officers to make transparent about the fees for applying any land patta on a notice board through government circular. Number 3, the House resolved that the committee will look after the issue of incomplete PMAYG rural urban of all blocks. Number 4, the House resolved that the committee will submit a memorandum to Honorable CEM Dr. Tuliram Ronghang regarding the long-standing demand of Nilip constituency for not getting any EM from 4 decades. Thank you.
Today, RD kabi idet mate akadure ki dokok ke gupia pot mah pusan si nilitum penangan mathalo lasi pini nilipan mai phuang hoi nangke pek cheng ani pen nilitum agenda atheke central Katsa central committee to aphan nilitum kachuning riponji mate ala tum pen ki claim rap je aphan akamatha mate karni pon abangke lahelo atheke Longle pata karbia khai tum ke long akadure along lat karbia khai aphan longle pata akizoi pen ke long oversight district council mate ke si hin pen hitame kamatha pg aphan la pen circle tin atum hitame ke jum hek ador pen pata ki pithek ji aphan circular hey notice mate tarpang thek ki pithek ji aphan si nilitum kachuning ri pon pedoji lapeni tum ke camera peji phansi alang litum phan phapon lapenarni pon akaprek dothulang atheke ladak nilitum nilipa block along pendang lok karbiang long all block along sitame pinangan ahem so kikim mate PMA YG ahem atheke rural lapen urban aphan ki kimpi hem penang an ke kitangti ni tum thek long lasi labangso kitangti dat hem kape tang thek ji aphan unan pen chisong pi rapet sinang puson sitami ni tum central committee aphan karni pondo atheke non ke bangji bangphu gilik aprang prang ahut unusonte patang det de puson sinili tum kamatha do kali pulotang te labangso hem jong si tang te det pulotang te mu apor ka prek por hor bang ke akimi ahem so nang kili thuji mate akimi PMA YG hem nang kili ji tame dopo halaphan sitame non piniar ni an sitame nang kili nodak ta la pinang ahem abang ke incomplete joinelo lasi labangso phani tum prabjin pen adima long hitame kahumri or block salong hitame la central committee tum ta kahumri ji aphan la pen ladak nili palong mate ladak constituency long katsa committee pen sitame unan pen ke prabjin pen kahumri dam je phai tami ni tum matha ponlo poson sini tum pini che perai ponlo la pen la tum phan sitame arni ponlo
Karbi Anglong Choki Hola Pen O'Neill Son Rong Phar La Pen Siluni Jan Pen Govin Tiso Report Bisonat Karbi Live